Hello friends, welcome to Crusader Academy's online classes. This is Rupesh Jadhav. Today we are dealing with again the fifth part of chapter number 8, Communication and Information Technology from India Yearbook 2020. Okay, earlier I have made 4 video. Now this is the fifth video on the same chapter, only one chapter. And as I told you, I can't skip any part of this chapter. It is very much important. So let's go further. So now passenger reservation system. If you want to check out how much is covered, the earlier I have covered this much. Okay, and that is in part till part 4 video. Now it is the fifth part. If you have not seen earlier video, please go through it. So a memorandum of understanding signed between India Post and Ministry of Railway to provide computerized passenger reservation system. So earlier it was for 30 post office. Now it has been gone up to 337, from where you can have the facility passenger reservation system. Okay. Now one more point is that from it was the service has been started from 2007. Okay, it has been started from 2007, and reserve ticket have not been upwardly revised. So now the next is sovereign gold bond. It is sale of sovereign gold bonds was introduced in 2015-16 by Ministry of Finance, and it is operated through RBI. It is operated through RBI. The name of this scheme is also paper gold, and this department is also engaged in this sovereign gold bond. So let me tell you that Department of Post Office, then Ministry of Finance and RBI. These are involved in this gold bond, sovereign gold bond. Okay, and it has been started in 2015-16 by Ministry of Finance. Okay, and it is also known as paper gold. It is a bond. Try to understand. Then electronic Indian postal order, that is EIPO. So it is based on the proposal received from, now which department are engaged in this? So Department of Personnel and Training. Okay, to acceptance of RTI fees from Indian citizens. So Department of Personnel and Training, that is DOPT, and India Post for the acceptance of RTI fees. Okay, so and for Indian citizen, and you can make the fees can be made by debit cards and credit cards powered by Visa and Master. Okay, so you might be knowing about the ATM card issued by Visa and Master. So through that the order can be, or the fees can be collected. It was launched in 2013 for Indian citizen only. Okay, abroad across to the means those people who are living outside India, to seek information from the Central Public Information Officer under RTI Act 2005. Then this is now extended to the Indian citizen in 2014. Okay, to pay online fee. So citizen of Indians were also allowed. So EIPO facility was further extended to Indian citizen living in India. Earlier it was started for Indian citizen who are living abroad. Okay, so in 14 who are living in our country, those also. Then e-post office. This is again one thing, all the everything whatever we are learning, e-post office is done by this means only. Okay, then coming to the next point, international relations. So India is a member of Universal Postal Union. This is important, which was set up in 1876. So Universal Postal Union set up in 1876. with 192 member countries. Okay, 192 member countries are there, and India is an elected member of Postal Council. Let me handle this. Mouse is not working properly. So India is an elected member of Postal Operation Council POC of UPI, is the co-chair committee 1 supply chain integration and member of Quality Service Fund, a board of trustees QSF, that is Quality Service Fund, and BOT. Okay, India is also a member of Asia Pacific Postal Union. This is the long short form of this is APPU. Okay, try to understand. The question has came on this. What is the long form of APPU? So it is Asian Pacific Postal Union. So APPU. Sorry friends, the mouse. I will have to check it. What is the problem? Then mail networking projects. Again, the mail networking projects. It was taken by the Department of Post. It is implemented entire country comprising 23 postal circles. Now, how many postal circles are there? So there are 23 postal circles. Okay, that is more important here. So it covers speed post, international mail, first class mail, and second class mail. Then dedicated road transport network. So let it be. This is not that much important, but still let me check out. Okay, anything. Then postman mobile app. So this is another important thing. PMA, postman mobile app. Okay, so it is important, and in-house and developed by the department. It has been department at the Center of Excellence Postal uh, Technology, CEPT. Where is Center of Excellence Postal Technology? It is at Mysuru. Okay, so Mysuru, earlier it was started by deploying in more than 15,000 smartphone. So it is the main thing is that where is Center of Excellence in Postal Technology? It is at Mysuru. So this much is important from this part. So Postman mobile app, it was prepared by CEPT, and CEPT as Mysuru. What is CEPT? Center of Excellence in Postal Technology. Okay, and the last one is the Philadelphia. So Philadelphia means nothing. It is by a collection of what we say stamps. Okay, so I am going to make a separate video on just the Philadelphia. So friends, I think you like my videos, so please give like, put comment in comment box, and share this video to your friends, and also please do subscribe my channel Crusader the Guardian. Okay. Thank you very much.